Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact zebra model and downloading the matching driver. This avoids communication errors. Next, connect power and USB or Ethernet, then power on the unit so it initializes. Once done, open the media compartment, install the label roll, and ensure the liner sits flat. Set the feed sensor to the label edge. Make sure to select the correct media type in printer settings so print density and speed calibrate properly. With drivers installed, you assign the printer port, USB or its IP address, so your PC talks to the device. Then run the built-in media calibration command to align sensors. This ensures labels print in the right position. After that, adjust print darkness and speed based on label material to avoid smudging or faint output. Next, create and test a label template in Zebra Designer or your label app. Print a single test to confirm dimensions and barcode readability. Finalize by printing a batch test and scanning barcodes to validate real-world results. You want consistent prints across the run. Once satisfied, save configuration to the printer's memory and reboot so settings persist. If issues appear, methodically check the label gap sensor, media alignment, and all cable connections. Loose cables and misseated sensors are common causes. If prints are faint, increase darkness slightly. If misaligned, rerun calibration. This targeted check solves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.